Dear students, I already informed the organization of the thesis in this following manner, like chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. So, from chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7, I said I will tell later most of the times. So, chapter 5 UML diagrams, whatever the content given by me, whatever the documents given by me, in that UML diagrams are presented, you can use the same. So, chapter 1 also change in this format only. Chapter 2, chapter 3. In most of the documents, you did the blunders in the references. Check the references once again with respect to the chapter 2 and references. Next, UML diagrams. From chapter 6 onwards, I'm doing this video. So I will post this common content in the group also after this video. Documents, sorry. So this is the common content of the chapter 6. Here, careful here in the 6.1.2. See, check the packages. Replace the packages with your packages. I added some few packages. If you have more than these packages, these are the some common packages. If still you have more packages like NLP and some other packages, you need to change here as per your project in 6.1.2. 6.1.2 you need to change. Rest of the content is same for all the projects. Here, chapter 7. These content also similar for all the projects. Control A, Control C, copy. Come back to the document, means which I given the previous or earlier you work out. సో ఈ డాక్యుమెంట్లో అంటే మేము ఇది వరకు ఇచ్చిన ఓల్డ్ ఫార్మాట్ ప్రకారం ఇది డాక్యుమెంట్లో చేశారు. సో ఆల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్. See, chapter 5 UMLs. After this UMLs, this software environment, all this Amazon, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, this all these are old, very old content, which is unrelevant, not as per your projects. The even though chapter 6 and this system requirements also very old format, and this functional requirements also very old format, which is common to every project. That's why I'm doing this following changes for every document. Follow this video, change that accordingly. If it is already presented with the same format, no need to change. So I just replaced. After replacing, copy your source code. I'm copying the source code from this document directly. Copy the source code, this code. Copy the source code. Come back to here. Don't use the ChatGPT for this particular application. ChatGPT won't give the effective outcomes. Use Grok AI, grok.com. So in the Grok, paste the code. After login, paste the code. Here I created one new prompt for this one. For above, after pasting the code, copy this prompt. For above, give me functional requirements at different stages of software development life cycle or software development cycle. Give me like FR and its bullet points based paragraphs. This is the exact outcome. Shift enter. Means shift enter means next line. See, it is going to. Don't copy this first three lines. You need to copy from requirement analysis. So don't copy the summary. If you want to copy the summary, you need to read it carefully. For example, this function, like that, I've copied few lines. Come back to the document. Come back to the document. Same. Here, below the functional requirements, copy those few lines related to your project. Here, come back to it. Copy, paste. See, copy paste also depending on your word settings. In my word, it's a default setting. Delete these lines, this one. The copy paste also should be like neatly, properly like this, because I didn't change any settings. In my word, I had perfect settings of copy paste also. So whatever the prompt it is given, read it, it is going to give. First, what is the requirements? In the software development life cycle, first is the requirement analysis stage. Next, system design stage. Second, if you want, you can make it 7.1, 7.2, 7.3 implementation stage, 7.4 testing stage, 7.5 maintenance. So this maintenance comes under the non-functional requirements usually. Like this, these are the accurate functional requirements as per the applications. So even though the why I delayed means even though I recently found this prompt means I recently work out on this one and I created a new prompt. That's why it becomes delayed. So no problem. Do the chapter 7 perfectly as per above prompt, then it will become chapter 8. So again, you are doing small mistakes. This space, you shouldn't give any, none of you shouldn't give the space. You should use the control E for middle. So chapter 8 becomes your source code. Same, I not now. I initially tell chapter 7 functional requirements, it will be changed project to project. I will tell how to do. Just now I told. Chapter 8 source code, chapter 9 results and discussion. See, results and discussion. So if the results and discussion implementation description is in the above format, it's good, it's correct. If still it's not in the above format, I created a new prompt. After completion of above, just copy below. For above, give me the implementation description, such as how code flow works, like this. Within the same prompt, give below. Yeah, if you are going to get the in text like this, I will tell another solution also. So it becomes 9, 9.1. This format also correct, but if any paragraph is there, that is wrong. 9.2 also correct. Dataset description also, it should be like in this format means column name followed by its description. Might be in the bullet points or not be in the bullet points, but should be like a column name followed by its description. Next, 9.3. Here, it must be check the documents properly. It must be 9.1. Figure number must be 9.1. It's not like this figure. It's not like this figure. It should be, you should properly cite the figure name. So, tables also 9.6 like that. So If you are going to get the like this canvas, close it, show inline. So because this is the better representation. Copy, same means even though it is correct, I'm just showing like this, do this. Here 9.1 implementation, here it is correct, but still I am showing. So now these are our code flow and code connection. So each and everywhere, each and every stage. So GUI initialization stage, what are the GUI buttons? Like that, it is going to give the clear picture idea of our code working. So 9.1 should be about the code working. So by reading this, you can able to explain the code also. Display, bar charts, what are the display functions, like that. So this is how you need to do the entire document. So now this is the final document format. Do the document accordingly. See, these references are correct, but not today. Recently, I called to the few batches because for my work, I called to the few batches. I asked their documents. I checked those documents also. Those are blunders, mistakes are there. Don't repeat the same mistakes. So do document in this format. Yeah, if any doubts, text me in the group itself. I will be available from today onwards regarding the document corrections.